Hi friends, welcome to Yin Yoga at Work. Now this yoga sequence is made for you to do at the end of your day in your office at work for 5 minutes. So it is a 5-minute miracle class to help you stretch out, let go, and relax after your busy day at the office in front of your desk. So take this 5 minutes to be a healthier you. Join me on the mat and let's get started for our 5-minute miracle class Yin Yoga session. All right, friends, so we're going to begin in the back of our mat. We're going to bring our hands up to the sky, take a deep breath, put our hands to heart. Keep breathing. One more big, deep breath in, hands to heart one more time. Perhaps this time set an intention for your 5-minute practice. Perhaps it may be patience. Maybe it can be awareness to perform better in your job or in your role or as a student. Now we're going to take one more deep breath, swan dive down, and we're going to go into ragdoll position. So grab your elbows and sway your upper body. Really just let go. Wonderful. This is your time. Own it. Great. Take your hands, intertwine them, and let's open up our shoulders. So we're going to take our hands all the way to the back of the room. This is a wonderful shoulder opener since you've been at the computer all day long. Awesome. Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to take our hands to the back of the room and we're going to open up our chest and open up our back even more for a deep mini back bend. Great job, guys. Vertebrae by vertebrae, come back up. Take one more deep breath. Swan dive all the way down. And we're going to go into our tabletop position for the cat-cow pose. Inhale, take a deep breath, cow. Exhale, cat, round the spine. Inhale, cow, and round the spine, cat. Great. Now this is going to be your first downward facing dog. Tuck your toes and walk it out. Just see how it feels here, really. Make sure that you take your time. Breathe in this pose. And we're going to go ahead and take our left foot all the way up to the sky. And what we're going to do is we're going to stack our hips to open up those hips after being seated all day long. We're going to flex our toe and begin slowly stacking our hips across each other. Point your toe, put your foot back up. Great job, guys. Now we're just going to switch our feet. So right leg all the way up to the sky. Flex your foot and start to stack your hips on top of each other. Once again, this is a really wonderful exercise if you've been sitting all day at your desk, whether it be in your office, if you're a student in class, or even at home if you're working from home. Great, back to downward dog. Now we're going to do a quick flow, go into plank, then go straight back into downward facing dog. And now back to tabletop. Great, guys, now we're just going to sit on our heels and we're just going to put our head up, put it down, to stretch out our neck a little bit. Work on our neck muscles. Wonderful. Now we're going to go into butterfly position. So put your feet together, take a deep breath in, hands to heart, and then we're going to go all the way down. So we're going to push our legs to the side here. Make sure to bend from your hips, never from your back. Breathe here. We hold a lot of negative energy, especially in this part of our body, so it's important that we let go. keep breathing. Wonderful, guys. One more big deep breath up, hands to your hearts. Now we're gonna go into spinal twist. Ready? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take your right leg. We're going to take our right elbow and kind of push that knee all the way to the side of the room, opening up our side. A great way to feel relaxed and stretched. Great, now just simply switch sides. Now we're taking our left leg and the same thing. Look to the side of the room if you can. If you can't, that's okay. Just keep looking forward. Respect your body. You're exactly where you need to be at this moment right now. Wonderful. We're going to go into seated. We're going to take our hands up to the sky. We're going to put our hands to our hearts. And we're going to thank ourselves for the 5 minutes we've devoted to ourselves today. And for setting the time to really relax after your work. Namaste, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure to follow us on socials and check out our website. See you soon.